centuries, yoga, Tai Chi, and Qigong has been practiced to promote balance, calm, and vitality. Often seen as gentle or spiritual routines, modern science is uncovering their deeper impact on cellular health, especially through their influence on telomeres. So if you're unaware of what telomeres are, let's begin with an introduction. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, similar to plastic tips on shoelaces. These repetitive sequences present at the ends of chromosomes may not be entirely replicated during DNA replication. Thus, a small portion of the telomere is lost every time the cell divides, leading to gradual shortening by 50 to 100 base pairs per mitosis division. Because all vital gene sequences are located in the middle part of the chromosome, losing telomere end sections does not directly affect cellular functions, but instead their trimming serves to prevent the loss of important DNA sequences. Over time, telomeres shorten, and when they become too short, cells stop dividing. That happens because if cell division occurs beyond this point, vital DNA sequences might get trimmed off, resulting in genetic damage. This causes cell cycle arrest or senescence, beyond which the cell cannot naturally divide. Telomere shortening is also linked to diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and dementia. Fortunately, telomere shortening isn't entirely irreversible. An enzyme called telomerase can help rebuild them. However, this rebuilding is mostly outpaced by shortening. Lifestyle changes such as sleep, diet, exercise, and stress management all affect how quickly telomeres wear down. These positive lifestyle interventions can slow their erosion and contribute to better cellular and overall health. Chronic stress speeds up telomere erosion. Stress hormones and inflammation damage cells, accelerating aging. Research has shown that practices like yoga, Tai Chi, and Qigong help regulate breathing, calm the nervous system, and reduce stress. These effects may also slow telomere shortening and support cellular repair. Evidence from multiple narrative reviews, systematic reviews, and clinical studies directly connects regular yoga practice, including postures called asanas, breath control called pranayama, and meditation with telomere dynamics. Individuals practicing yoga regularly demonstrate longer telomeres in peripheral blood leukocytes compared to sedentary individuals, suggesting a slower rate of cellular aging. Yoga practitioners also exhibit higher telomerase activity, enabling partial restoration or maintenance of telomere length, which is normally outpaced by progressive shortening of aging somatic cells. Practicing Tai Chi has also shown to boost telomerase levels in middle-aged adults. Qigong shows an increase in telomerase activity along with modulation of oxidative stress and antioxidant enzyme activity. Aerobic exercise like walking or cycling has the strongest evidence for preserving telomeres. Mechanistically, aerobic exercises improve mitochondrial function, reduces systemic inflammation, and enhances antioxidant defenses, all of which contribute to telomere integrity. For example, walking briskly for 30 minutes 5 times a week has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, which are known to accelerate telomere shortening. Healthy diets rich in antioxidants, good sleep, and mindfulness practices also contribute to telomere protection. Programs that combine diet and exercise have actually shown to increase telomere length over time. Despite the evidence, many people are skeptical. Even though some studies might lack rigorous design, it is mostly cultural biases that may lead people to dismiss Eastern practices. Sometimes media hype can also create unrealistic expectations, but the real value lies in the ability to reduce stress and support long-term health. Even though aerobic exercise models have shown the most robust and reproducible effects on telomere preservation, these exercises are not suitable for people of all age groups and medical conditions. In fact, the most vulnerable group, those in their golden years, may carry one or more medical conditions that filter them out of these rigorous aerobic exercises. Alternatively, light forms of yoga, Tai Chi, and Qigong remain realistic and attainable exercises for almost all age groups. In summary, yoga, Tai Chi, and Qigong may not be intense workouts, but they offer powerful benefits for aging well. When combined with other healthy habits, they help protect the very structures that keep our cells young. And simple, consistent practice can make a meaningful difference.